You know what time it is. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Happy Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen. The Bulls will not stop. They just keep on going. I don't know. What do we do? Where do we go from here? I don't know. ES wants 7,000. NQ is running like its hair is on fire. It's crazy. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Let's see where this thing can go. Welcome back to another episode of The Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well, man. Welcome back, man. Hope everyone's doing well. It's a brand new week, and these Bulls cannot stop. They're having a ball at the highs, man. Insane. Insane. All right, let's see. Let's get this thing up and running. Hope everyone's doing well. I might play down from these highs. Let me make sure. Let me double check. Hope everyone's doing well. Get team notes. Get the interaction going. Hope everyone's doing well, man. I've been running some combines today. Let's see. You red? Are you green or red today? Infinity fan movie. Green, red, or flat. Start poll. Alright, let's get the poll going. Hit the, let me see, where we at? Make sure these are good. That's good. Shout out to everybody in the chat. I need to skim through this track and make sure there's no words. This is a fresh track from X Reaper. We're like stuck at the highs right now. Uh-oh, hold on, my bad. I might play that. If we don't blast through these highs convincingly, I might play down from 100 and to try to pass this eval. What we got? Like 1,200 left. We're going heavy. We'll see. Let's see how she pushes. This is also a trend line up to the upside too. I've been watching this thing on the 15. So we've been trending. If we close this up, let's see if we close this up, what this does. What a push by the Bulls, man, insane. This is what we've been playing, but then we also got this guy up above, watching to see how we react to that one. That's like an old trend line. And we've been respecting it every time we pop. So I want to see if we blast through this time and hold. Trend line action. Wait for your levels and execute. Man, I looked at my plays from last Friday. Man, that was like a subtle tilt. That was crazy, man. I should have at least stopped at 150. What was I doing? I was just, oh, there goes your spike right there. So do we maintain it? That's the question. That is the question. Where are we at? Fresh 15-minute candle coming in hot. It could go either way right here. I might test my hand, but I need another 5. Give me another 5 first. Shout out to Dev. Yo, I know you hit TP. We at the highs right now. Oh, nah, I cut it. You know me, I'm in scalper mode. I'm in scalper mode. Dev still holding off the trend line. Yeah, I cut it. But the thing is, I cut it because I was in another. Okay, so look at all these. I'm like, I ran like 4 evals today, or 4 combines, 3 combines. Because Topstep, yo, if you're listening and you got Topstep, go check your resets. Because you know the AWS issue, right? They gave a bunch of resets back. So any evals that you blew that are still active, you can go and reset them depending on how many they gave you. I might play this down, guys. I need a fresh candle though. 100 is gonna be interesting. Let me see. Oh my gosh, I think I'm missing my entry, guys. Hold on, I'm on the wrong account too. Jeez. All right, let's see this. I'm gonna test it. It's an eval, so I ain't tripping. Yeah, 100. I think. I know we touched 100, or no, we almost got there. Now, if they can hold these highs and keep going, then that's it. All right, fresh 5 right here. Let's see if we get a temporary pullback right here. And it's lunchtime. You know, bruh. Or do they test 100 again? Yeah, they going for it. Ooh. You know how I like to play down from fresh double zeros or triple zeros. We'll see if this thing does it. This is an eval right here. All I would need is a temporary pullback. Give me something. All right, bet. Break even. Hold. Nothing down. Woo, that thing took off. Hey, Dev, are you still in? Oh my gosh, that thing went crazy. Yo, 147. Ooh, wee. I am glad I pulled that thing to break even. Jeez. Dev, what was that? That was insane. See, man, I don't know what that was. It might have been some news. That could have been anything. It can come out of the blue. But now I'm with the Bulls. I'm with the Bulls. So let me see if we get a squeeze to 100. I'm back in to the upside. Let's see what happens. I might test it from here, guys. Let's try it. Dang. Oh, I guess we're volatile right now. Let me wait for 100. Ooh. All right, let me see if I can test it from here. So now I need like 2100 or something like that. Ooh, are they pulling? Oh yeah, they pulling. Dang. Did I cook the eval? It's almost cooked. I might leave it alone. Let me leave that eval alone. And then try it again tomorrow. 100 is the bounce, it looks like. That was insane. What was that? Was it some type of news? I'm about to look. Hold on. That was insane. Dog, that was a big pop. I don't know what that was. What was that? Let me see. Does anybody know what that was? Ooh, that was crazy. What kind of pop was that? All right. I know Dev's still in there, man. He already in the green. Shout out to Dev. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that slippage was definitely. Oh wow. Okay, cool. So you put your TP at 100. Yeah, that's a mean. Woo. Oh, TP was at 100. Yeah, that slippage was real. I'm trying to look to see what that was. Because that was it's 12:30, middle of the hour. Let me see. Ooh, yo, they are cutting a lot of jobs, man. Insane. Corporate jobs are going out the window. Everybody trying to protect their bottom line. Insane. Shout out to everybody in the chat. All right, let me see if I can find what the heck just happened. I'm trying to figure out. Whoa. Whoa. That was insane. That was some good slippage for you, Dev. Shout out to Dev. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna leave that eval alone. That was like a fresh one. So we passed 2 combines today, and I'm working on the 3rd. I got 2 resets left. So it's gonna be let's see. Yeah, if you have Topstep, go check your Topstep. Because they got some resets sitting there, man. It's free evals, essentially. Shout out to everybody in the chat. I'm still looking to see what that was. That had to be like some China stuff. Maybe Trump is talking on Truth Social or something. Oh, okay, here we go. Half. Levies and Chinese goods imposed. Yeah, some China news, it looks like. Yeah, definitely China news. I see Z are discussing are to discuss law agenda for fentanyl crackdown. You also cut in half the 20% levies on the for the export of chemicals that make deadly synthetic opioids. Interesting. Okay. So yeah, it was some China news out the blue. Any China news is gonna give us a shake, some type of shake. But look at how that trend line is being respected. That's crazy, right? This is the trend we've been playing all morning. This sucker right here. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. We got slammed at the open, and then now we're back. Fresh day highs. Where are we headed, man? ES1's 7,000. NQ's above 26,000. Insane. We're just flying. This is the trend line on the 5. Clean, pretty clean. Clean, clean, clean. Tap, 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 tap. Up. So I'm watching both. There's the 15 on this side. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Oh, let me see. Oh yeah, I can do control and move. Hey, that's a nifty little tool. Oh. Yeah, it's just been riding this all. Ooh, wow. What did I just do? I could do 2? Hold on. What was that? Ooh. All right. Yeah, 100's holding, man. Let's see what happens. This one definitely faked us out. This was a bear trap. Bear trap action. So yeah, I might activate this. So I got 2 XFAs ready to go. Let me see. All the way up. I'm pretty sure you could do like all of them at the same time. Yellow was way more visible. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Yeah, that was definitely a bear trap. This was a bear trap, if I've ever seen one. Bulls ate that right up. Excuse me. I need some. We gotta go reload on the water. What a push. Yep, there you go. Yeah, shout out to Mooner Mars. Mooner Mars posted it in the Discord. Trump and China's ear to discuss lowering tariff. Yep. Yes. Top of quarterly algo zone. Yes, sir. Shout out to James. Yeah, China news. Woo! That was a big pop, man. We popped to like 47. That was a big pop. They got all these emojis, bro. Insane. We almost there. Which one is he looking at? He's looking at ES. Yes. That curl zone, golly. What a push. That's not big enough, right? Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Shout out to Maxwell. What's going on? Maxwell said, tricky price action today. Indices are overbought. Yeah, man. But NQ is a freight train right now. Insane. And we just got a little bit of China news. We popped up like 50 points. That was crazy off the 100 level. Insanity. Shout out to Maxwell. Maxwell, what are you trading? How long have you been trading? Shout out to Maxwell in the building. Shout out to Dev Trades. Dev been holding since the trend line. TP at 100. Clean move. Shout out to Dev Trades, man. Holding the line. If you're on the short stream, come over to the horizontal stream. Let's see. It's a better view over there. Red Candles calls it the short bus. Red Candles is hilarious, man. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Speaking of that, I need to put that on the thing, right? Sub counter. All right, what a push, man. When I say since September, I've been looking for a pullback, bro, we are just not getting it. I'm talking about a sustained pullback. Like the 24,000, 23,000, something like that. But we have not gotten it. Not gotten it yet. It's been crazy. Give me 1 second. I need to re-up on. Give me 1 second. But yeah, we have not been able to get anything back. Cave Trader, what's going on? Cave Trader is in the building, man. Where you been at, man? Shout out to everybody in the chat. Maxwell says gold and NQ for 5 years. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. I started futures last year. Q1 2024. Yeah, Q1 2024, man. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. We are in here. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Man, great to see you, Cave Trader, man. Where you been at, man? Cave Trader says, chillin', man. Close to getting another Apex payout. That's what I'm talking about. Slow and steady. Let's go. I know you like to take it bit by bit. As long as you get the payout, man. However you get the payout, everybody's different. That's how you got to do it. As long as you get there. That's the beauty of the game. Hey, man, slow is okay. It's okay. I think when I start these Bill-Knox fundeds, I'm going to take it super slow. $100 a day and just build it. And stop trying to rush. All year I've been trying to rush. And it hasn't gotten me anywhere. Rushing doesn't help anything, man. Let me see. Slow and steady. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Oh, hold on. Shout out to Chevelle in the short stream. Come over to the horizontal stream, Chevelle. Chevelle in the building. Shout out to Dev Trades. Dev Trades caught a banger. Maxwell says, what size prop firm accounts do you normally trade? Usually 50K, but my favorite ones are 150K and 250K. But I usually don't get those until I get until I get the thing paying for itself. So I need like a good amount of payouts, and then I'll start investing in the bigger accounts. But usually I stick with the 50Ks. most of last year was the 50Ks. And then into like third, fourth quarter, that's when I started getting into the bigger accounts. Yeah, like starting in like August. August was like my biggest month. And that was with bigger accounts. Yeah. Like the 150, probably my favorite. 250, a little bit bigger, takes a little longer to get the payout, but definitely the bigger ones, they pay for themselves for sure. Shout out to everybody in the chat. We are in the building, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Shout out to Maxwell. Shout out to Cave Trader. Shout out to Moon or Mars. Shout out to Dev Trades in the building. If you want to hop in the Discord, the link is in the pinned comment. Hope you guys are doing well, man. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Lucid, yeah, I saw Lucid. I've been doing some research on them. Only charge once for their evals, and no, it's similar to Take Profit Trader, right? No activation fee. But I've heard good things. I know some people that are getting payouts from them. So today we passed 2 combines. This one is like halfway. I'm gonna try to get that passed tomorrow. Ideally, I want to get 5 Topstep accounts. And then also if you're on Topstep, right? They have a discount code for the AWS issue. It's like onward 40. So you can get 40% off of any size. So I don't know if you had to have like an active account in order to get that email, but try it anyway. If you're buying evals, you can get 40% off with onward 40, 40% off. Any sized account. I think it's like one-time use. Shout out to Maxwell. Man, I swore away copy trading Maxwell. No, I don't think they're daily payouts, but I'm just saying for the no activation fee, that's similar to Take Profit Trader. I think the only 2 that do daily payouts are Take Profit Trader and then Trade Day, something like that. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Yeah, I kind of swore away copy trading, guys. If I do it, it's only with micros. I've kind of sworn it away with minis, unless I'm like deep in the cushion. Maxwell, I blew like 14 funded accounts in the span of like 2 days. Copy trading, it scarred me for life. I have been scarred, man. 14, and I think I paid. This was Apex funded accounts last year. All 50Ks. I'll never forget it. I blew like 8 on one day and then came back the next day, revenge traded and blew that. I was like, look, if we're gonna copy trade, there has to be like a specific plan before I do anything. And I have to have a stopping point for the day. Shout out to Maxwell 7153. Shout out to Cave Trader. Shout out to Maxwell and Dev Trades. Man, it was, oh boy. I've been burned. I was like, hold on. But yeah, that was like early when I first started. Like, so I started Q1, right? And I thought I had diamond hands. So I was trying to copy trade everything. The idea of copy trading was like, wow, I can copy trade 5 accounts, get 5 times the gains. But it is also a trap if you're new to the game. I was new to the game for futures last year, Q1, so I was still trying to like feel myself through, and I was having like good success off initially. but then I got smacked in the face with that one. I was like, wow, insane. But Maxwell, I've been trading since 2016. I started with equity, stocks, shares, all that good stuff, trading like penny stocks. Then I got into options 2020. 2020, like pandemic, did options. And then after that, did that for a couple years. Then Lunar Mars was like, yo, you got to try futures. So I was like, okay, let me try futures. Started doing the research in 2023, end of 2023, then Q1 2024, I took my first NQ trade, and the rest is history. I was like, what? This is nice. I like this. I think I'm home. Yes, 14. It was 8 one day, 6 the next day. Whoosh. I was like, what just happened? And it was like a Thursday, Friday. It was terrible. It was like a Wednesday, Thursday. It was toward the end of the week. I know that for a fact. And I was like, what did I just do? And the thing is, the 8 that I blew on the first day, I was up and got greedy. When I saw red on 8 accounts, I was like, whoa. Hold on, I need to get that back. I gotta get that back. Went on tilt. Good old tilt. Oh man. I'm still trying to figure out the word for the Discord. I'm trying to get like one of those tags. You know how some of the Discords have a tag? I think I got the word I want, but I tried to like do infinity, but I don't think it's gonna fit in 4 letters. Shout out to Dev Trades. Dev Trades says I'm out for the day. I caught my banger. Yes, sir. I'll holler at you next time. Be careful trading all-time highs. Don't try guess the top. Absolutely, for sure. Wait for hourly. Be safe. Yes, sir. Appreciate Dev Trades, man. Shout out to Dev B 210 in the building. Dev caught a banger off the trend line through 100. I think he set his TP at 100 and got executed at 120. Insane. Yes, not a good way to start the weekend. Insanity. Man, so yeah, I've been there, done that. I've blown my fair share of accounts, guys. These are real life results. These are real life results, guys. All right, let me make sure this is cool. If you're on the short stream, come over to the short stream. I don't know, man. The quality. Oh, you can set the quality. High picture quality. Let me see. I mean, even when you do high picture quality, it's still kind of off a little bit. You can see things better on the horizontal stream. All right, let me see. It's a little fuzzy on the short stream. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Maxwell said, not a good way to start the weekend. Absolutely. You got to think about it all weekend. And don't let it be a holiday weekend. Oh my gosh. I've done that too. Blown an account on Friday. Can't trade again until like Tuesday. It's not fun. Not fun at all. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. But hey, it's part of the game. It is part of the game, guys. Hope everyone's doing well. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I go live. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to the Red Candles Nation. If you're not familiar with Red Candles, look them up. Red Candles Live Trading. Great streamer, great guy, great trader, man. And he just started, but he's legit. He's getting the fundamentals down early. What a push, man. Whoa. Hold on one second, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. Had a phone call. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well. Shout out to Maxwell. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I go live. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday. We got FOMC tomorrow. We got Microsoft at the bell. We have Google at the bell. We have Meta at the bell. We got GDP on Thursday. We got PCE on Friday. And I think the government is still shut down, right? It's a lot going on, ladies and gentlemen. Who else we got? We got Apple coming in hot. We got Amazon coming in hot. It's at the bell today, right? Let me make sure I'm not giving you the wrong information. I think it's today, right? Tuesday? Oh no. What's today? Tuesday? I'm a day ahead. God dang it. I think I'm a day ahead. It's Wednesday. That's tomorrow. Dang. No, tomorrow. My bad. No. Edit. Woo. All right, yeah, I got a correction. I gotta do correction. I think I sent everybody the wrong information. Microsoft, Meta, Google, report. Oh, geez. Hold on. Report earnings tomorrow after the bell. Yeah, that was a typo. That's tomorrow night. Tomorrow after FOMC. There's a lot going on tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy tomorrow. Correction. We got GDP Thursday, right? I'm a day ahead, man. I'm thinking ahead. I'm a day ahead. Okay. When do we have GDP? GDP is like Thursday. Time is flying, man. GDP is Thursday. And then today, Visa today after the bell, I think. Yeah, Visa's after the bell. Visa and Infinite report today after the bell. Yeah. Okay. So let me switch that up a little bit. Visa and Enphase. Visa and Enphase report earnings today after the bell. Microsoft report earnings. All right, yeah, I'm gonna just post that. That's cool. All right, let's see. Shout out to Dev Trades, man. All right, what time is it? Let's go. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're on the short stream, come over to the horizontal stream. Chevelle is in there. What's going on? Not sure about how to do that. Back in shorts and also can't hear you, bro. How's it going? Shout out to Chevelle. Chevelle, come to the horizontal stream. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Okay, go to the YouTube channel, right? You're gonna see two streams that are live. So click on the light brown Uh, Hold on 1 second. Yeah, click on the okay, yeah, go to the profile and then click on the light brown thumbnail. Shout out to everybody in the chat. There's two lives going on, guys. What a push, man. Wow. 100 is trying to hold too. So we got one. If I can get this past tomorrow, then we'll have 3 XFAs loaded, which is good. I'm trying to get to 5 and like rotate them because I like trading on Topstep X. It's clean. I like how Topstep X trades, I guess, in terms of for my strategy. Chat disconnected. Whoa. Please wait while we try to successfully connect it. What was that? What the heck was that? All right, cool. Shout out to Maxwell. Yeah, I'm a day ahead, man. I'm thinking of, it's just a lot going on this week. GDP Thursday, FOMC tomorrow, Microsoft earnings tomorrow, Google earnings tomorrow, Meta earnings tomorrow, Thursday, Apple, Amazon, Friday, PCE. It's a lot going on. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66. What's going on? Happy days, happy days. Happy Tuesday, man. Oh, wow. For real? Yeah, I was looking at that. Yo, I pray for everybody in Jamaica, man. Because that thing is insane. Category 5. Just the winds alone, insane. And then they're talking about how much rain is going to fall. Cat 5, 185, insane. That's what it is in that 185. I saw 175. Where did 185 come from? Anything above 100 is insane. 200 mile per hour winds. Insane, man. Pray for Jamaica, man. And there's like there's some people that got stranded there. People that were at resorts. Americans. People from all over the world. At the resorts, they got stuck. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys, man. Chevelle says my parents are there. Oh man, I pray for them, man. I have some friends that got parents over there too. But they said they're like in shelters. And yeah. I might change that. Let me see if I can. Let me change that. Yeah. Let me change that. Let's go ahead and change that. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys, man. What a rip for the Bulls, man. These are the trends I was watching this morning. This guy, we wrapped around that trend line. Tap, 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 tap. And we have this upward trend line from like, it's like weeks. When was that? That's like from the beginning of October. I drew it like at the beginning of October, but look at how it's still still got respected. So when I draw trend lines, I try to like extend them, especially if it was holding nicely. We extended it. I didn't delete it, and look, still getting pivots off that off that line. Insane. Yo, these bulls do not want to stop, guys. I don't know what to say. They don't want to stop. They don't want to stop. It's like, Mooner Mars said it in the Discord. He was like, we are not going to like pull back until ES gets close to 7,000. And I believe it. I definitely believe it because this is insane. And we got FOMC tomorrow. And we have Microsoft earnings. And we got Google earnings. Meta, Amazon, Apple after that. That's insane. There's a lot going on this week. GDP on Thursday. PCE Friday. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well. If you're on the short stream, come over to the horizontal stream. Man. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hope you guys are doing well. Woo. Oh, did I send the I was supposed to send the let's go to let me make sure this thing is oop. Elements, boom. What a push. They do not want to stop, man. Wow. This is crazy, guys. What a push. So yeah, passed some combines today. So all together, we're trying to get 3 combines started before the end of the week. Shout out to Apex Clippers. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Shout out to Maxwell. Shout out to Dev B. Dev Trades. All right, let me make sure this is logged in. Log it in. And then that was the timer thing. What a push, man. Unbelievable. We crashed through 100, man. That was crazy. All right, let's see. Save it, right? Boom. I think we're good. What a push. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hope you guys are doing well, man. Yeah, pray for Jamaica, man. That's gonna be crazy. I thought it was gonna make landfall like a couple hours ago. And it's moving slow. No good. They said it's like a slow moving storm. Look at this. What a push, man. 100 was another good, decent entry. I know we got a gap over there somewhere. Of course. Draw your FEGs on the way up. Play the pullback until the gaps fall apart. This 15-minute FEG. Dang, man. Yeah. People were stranded. Yo, insane. Pullback action. That's the 5. FEG action, pullback, midpoint, gap and go. Oh no, this is the 15. Change this back to 5. Yeah, look at that. Tap, 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 tap. Dive, bounce. FEG is real. FEG is real. Man, the FEG has definitely been a phenomenon for my pullback entries. Just an extra confluence to work off of. Shout out to everybody in the chat. These are real results, ladies and gentlemen. No games. Shout out to everybody in the chat. So we passed 2 combines today. I'm trying to get Topstep maxed out. Like 5 accounts. I just need to get my accounts back up, man. I think that's going to help me tremendously in this prop game. I got to get back to 10 fundeds, 15 fundeds, 20 fundeds. And then I can just cycle through. Instead of being hyper focused on like 1 or 2 accounts, I get myself in trouble. I got to have a stopping point. And I have to stop over trading on stream. I got to do that too. Pay attention to the time. If it's 12:30, between 12 and 2, I need to just be watching. Between 12 and 2:30, man, I need to leave this thing alone. Based on my stats, I do not do good during those times. I do good the first hour and a half of the market. That's my bread and butter. That's where I execute. For my strategy, I need that volatility. Volatility. Trust the process. Do not rush the process. Discipline equals freedom. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66. It made landfall at White House. Wow. Insane, man. Maxwell said, yeah, Dow is flying. Dow's cooking. Shout out to Chevelle. Yeah, I'm just watching right now. I'm not taking anything right now. Shout out to Maxwell. Price action ran through that level like it was a finish line. Right. Dev Trades was in off of this bounce right here. Clean. He got in at I want to say 44 and just rolled it up off the trend line. And as soon as we got to 100, I was looking for maybe a little bit of resistance. Nah, we blasted right through. The high is 46, 47, 146, 147, insane. He said his TP was at 100 and he got executed at 120. That's some good slippage. That's when slippage goes in your favor. Can't beat it. Nice. Shout out to Dev Trades, man. Dev Trades. It's a sniper, man. He's in the Discord too. If you want to hop in the Discord, link is in the description and the pinned comment. Happy Tuesday. I'm like a day ahead, man. I'm looking forward to FOMC. I'm looking forward to Microsoft earnings. I'm looking forward to Google earnings. I'm looking forward to Meta earnings. That could give us another leg up. That could give us another leg up, guys. These bulls do not want to stop. They just keep going. Shout out to everybody in the chat. All right, 2 combines are ready to be activated. I'm trying to get 5. I want 5. I got like 2 more. Did I use 2? Yeah, I used 2. If you have Topstep, go check to see if you have any resets, because they gave me like 4 resets because of that AWS issue. Shout out to Chevelle. Up 300 in my combine. Done for the day. That's what I'm talking about. Hit your goal and stop, man. Hit your goal and stop. Shout out to Chevelle. Sophie in the building. What's going on? Sophie, what's going on? Shout out to Adam Daz. Shout out to the whole Red Candles Nation. Sophie, how you feeling, man? Maxwell says you have the ability to remember the future. Facts. Hey man, look, I do. Gotta remember the future. Gotta remember the future to make it possible. Manifest. Shout out to Sophie. Shout out to Maxwell. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're on the short stream, come over to the horizontal stream so you can see things clear. You can even zoom in on the horizontal stream. Shout out to all the new subscribers. We're almost to like 900. After that, we're headed to 1K, guys. The road to 1K, man. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I go live. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday. FOMC tomorrow. Microsoft earnings tomorrow. Google earnings tomorrow. Meta earnings tomorrow. GDP on Thursday. Apple on Thursday. Amazon on Thursday. PC on Friday. It's going to be a fun end to the week. We could go anywhere. We could go anywhere. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys, man. Let's keep on going. As soon as we get to 1,000, the giveaways will begin. The giveaways will begin. I gotta see how I'm gonna do it. There's different ways to do it. See, this is the type of price action that gets me in trouble. I need to leave this alone. Between 12 and 2, I need to relax. Maybe I can scalp something with small size, but when it comes to my dollar cost averaging and loading up, I need to leave 12 to 2 alone. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66. I did stream Sunday night and last night. Nice. Post your link again and see if the bot. Hopefully the bot doesn't get you. I think I adjusted it a little bit. So if it everyone go subscribe to Lone Wolf Blue 66. Lone Wolf Blue 66 says I fell asleep Sunday night and the stream went 15 hours. You were knocked out. Hey man, look. You got some content right there. 15 hours long. Hey man, that's part of the streaming game, man. This thing is a grind. You'll be knocked out midstream. You wake up and you're like, my bad, guys. I apologize. Shout out to Sophie. Yep, took some trades at the open. Passed 2 Topstep combines. I'm trying to get my combines. I'm trying to get the XFAs for Topstep to 5. And then we'll see what we can do with the 5. I think if I have 5 rotating, it'll be good. So I'm trying to get my XFAs up. So 2 combines. And then if I can get this combine past tomorrow, that'll be like 4. But yeah, I know how to Topstep. Yeah, fourth quarter last year, Topstep paid me good, and I had like 3 or 4 XFAs like in rotation. So I gotta get back to that. Gotta get back to that, man. Just so I can spread the trades out. Oh no! Oh Lord! Sorry. I just need to do it. I loosened the. What in the world? The bot is like it's sensitive, man. I said it could. My subscribers can post links. That's okay. All right, now I gotta go back and look at it again. This bot, it's just so sensitive. Revenue, chat bot, spam filter. That's insane. How about I just turn the link protection off? And then, because people don't really post links like that, timeout user subscribers. It says exclude user group subscribers. Huh? And then it said announcement. Oh, so it's just doing links in general. Allow links, bypass all link filtering. Allow the links. Okay. So maybe, how about I just put your link in there? All right, let me see if I can do that. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue. So Mr. Koski, I'm just gonna put your link in there manually. So it allows it. That would be insane. Okay, so now we gotta test it out, Mr. Koski. Yeah, you can post your link. I wanted to trade Topstep, but they don't allow traders to use NinjaTrader anymore. Yeah, they kind of like pushed people out. They make everybody use their platform, but their platform, I like their platform. I'm like so used to it when it comes to execution, trade execution. So it's like, I've been using Topstep X the whole time with Topstep. The entire time. I know they had like Tradeovate and all that. I was like, let me use Topstep X. All right. Dang, man. Pray for Jamaica, man. Okay, Mr. Koski. So I just added it to. Dang. Why does it delete everything though? That's crazy. It deletes all. Let me see if I can adjust that too. Subscribers, blah, 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 blah. Dang, they got a multiplier for repeat offenders. That is crazy. Enable announcements. How often announcement? Okay. Lone Wolf Blue 66. We added your link manually. Mr. Koski's cool, man. So I'm gonna add it manually. Mr. Koski is good with me, man. All right. Let's see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Yeah. So now it's just like Topstep X, Project X. So usually I use Tradovate. Tradovate is all I use for Apex. But now I'm like looking into other things because Tradovate glitches. I'll be mid-trade and that thing will stop for like 2 seconds. I'm like, hold on, what is happening? So yeah. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Hold up, did I do that one? Maybe not. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Let's keep on going, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So I guess from my side, I can still show the. Okay, cool. I wonder if anybody else can see it. Let me see. Does it block everybody else or just like? I'm about to see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Maxwell says 2 seconds can seem like an eternity when yes. It feels like 2 eternities. Man, what? And then if you're playing with size, oh my gosh. You got 2 minis on and 2 seconds goes by, a lot can happen in 2 seconds. A whole lot can happen in 2 seconds. Maxwell is 1000% correct. Messing with NQ? All NQ needs is a second and she can drop 100 points. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading and what do you trade? Welcome to the Infinity Show. If you haven't already and you're enjoying the stream, hit the like button. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I go live. We're going for day highs again. Insane. Insane. These bulls are not going to stop. Lunar Mars said we're not going to slow down until ES gets to 7,000. And I believe him. Because we have not. The bulls have had their foot on the gas all week. Yeah, I gotta get my XFAs up, man. If I can get the XFAs up and then have like a couple Apex on the side, then I'm gonna be all right. Just gotta build these things up. We just gotta build these things. Look at that, man. We're just flying to the north side, man. Lone Wolf Blue 66 says, I'm green even in my 150K silver account. Nice. Where'd you get the 150K account with? Who'd you get it with? I know you said you were trying to get a bigger account for the silver. Did you get it with Apex? Take Profit Trader? Maybe you told me, I forgot. Day Traders, yeah, okay, I remember. Nice. Yeah, you did tell me. I remember that. Day Traders. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Shout out to Dev B, aka Dev Trades. Oh my gosh, it's windy outside, man. It's reminding me of that storm. Shout out to Cave Trader, man. I haven't talked to Cave Trader in a minute, man. Shout out to Cave Trader. Shout out to Cave Trader. Shout out to Dev Trades. Shout out to Mr. Koski, aka Lone Wolf Blue 66. All right, hey Lone Wolf, you can try the link again. You should be good this time. I added it as like an exception, so you should be all right. Now, if the bot cancels you again, I have to use somebody else. All right, I think we're good. Lone Wolf Blue 66, the bot is looking at you like, I'm about to get you. It's looking for you. Oh man, that is hilarious. You're good now, I think. Yeah, everyone go subscribe to Lone Wolf Blue 66, man. Oh, it posts as text? All right, let me see if that is, can I change that? Golly, this bot is insane. Links. Yeah, it's allowed. Allowed links, bypass all link filtering, supports wildcards, for padding methods, press enter to submit. Huh. I wonder. It just does it as text. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna try to work on it. I think it doesn't give me any other options just to add it manually. And I wanna like, yeah. It says exclude user group subscribers. Subscribers should be able to hit the use it. Penalty. Wow. Warning, delete method, timeout user. Yeah, it should come as like a regular link. That's crazy. Can you copy paste it? Let me see. Oh, dang. It did delete. Wow. Yeah, I might have to YouTube that and see why it's not coming through like a regular link. If anything, I just have to copy it myself and post it. How about that? Didn't I have like a... All right, I'll post it for you. Whoa. All right, let's see. Lone Wolf Blue, I got you. Whoa. What was that? Copy. Go check out Lone Wolf Blue channel. Subscribe. subscribe and share. Maybe something like that. Yeah, I don't know what the bot is. The bot, man, this thing is, it's powerful. Wow, higher highs. Will it let me do it? Yeah, it kind of let me do it. Yeah. Whoa, what was that? Oh, notification. Yo, higher highs, guys. The 100 level held like a freaking rock. That 15-minute FEG was the entry. Clean. Super clean. That was definitely the entry. Look at that. Can't write that up any better. 50% retracement, pull back and go. What a push, man. Insanity, guys. Fresh 4-hour candle coming in hot, right? Yes. That's coming in super hot. Look at how high bro. This doesn't make any sense. We're like in the stratosphere right now. The stratosphere. What a push. Insane push. Let's see if the highs keep things low. Let's see. Do we keep going? We got a fresh 4-hour candle coming in hot. We'll see if the bears try to pull things back. Because we got 15 minutes until a fresh, fresh 4-hour candle. Fresh 4-hour candle coming in hot right here. Not here, but 15 minutes from now. They're trying to slap, it looks like they're trying to slap down from this level. Bulls want to keep on going, man. They've been non-stop. They have been non-freaking stop. Uh-oh, things are starting to fall apart. Well, before it, the 15 minutes before a fresh 4-hour candle, you can get some volatility. Actually 10 minutes, probably like 10 minutes before, you can get some real volatility. We'll see if they pull things back to end the hour. They do not want to slow down at all, man. Tried to full port a combine, but it did not work. I was looking for a turnaround at day highs, but the bulls cannot. They do not want to stop. I had a little bit in there. I should have pulled that stop. It's all good. It's all good. Yo, they do not want to stop. They just want to keep on going. Uh-oh. What a push. Insanity. They do not want to stop. They just want to keep on going. I guess this is crazy. Where it goes, nobody knows, my friends. This is crazy. What a push. This thing has space. It can just go. Hold on. Let's see. And there's a fresh 4-hour candle coming in hot, so we can get all types of volatility right here. We got like 8 minutes left. I could do that. Let's see if she can go. One last push before the new hourly candle. Ooh, she just whipped up. Let's see if she wants to hold. Wow, these bulls are strong, super strong. All-time highs. Playing with the highs, man. Let me see if it's already. Hope everyone's doing well. Those last couple of seconds before a fresh 1-hour candle, you can get some push. So, waiting to see if they pull us back or do we get some continuation. Let's see if they go to end the hour. Insane push, man. Bulls are trying to slap down, but these bulls do not want to let go, especially into a fresh hourly candle. They want to keep the momentum going. They want to open it with some fire. Let's see if they can hold. They're kind of running into a wall right here. We'll see if they can keep going. Fresh 5-minute candle coming in hot. Is it bounce and go? How we gonna end the hour? Come on, guys. Where do you want to go? Woo! To the downside, looks like. Looks like they want to go downside. Wow. They're dumping it into the fresh hourly candle. They're trying to. See if they hold. How How far can they go? Yeah, they might want to press fresh 4-hour candle coming in hot, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if it holds. Or do we flush right before it? What a push by the bulls, though. Insane. Can't make this price action up. Insane. Let's see if we can get a real flush. And then we can get like 2 combines to where I need them. Fresh 4-hour candle. Bulls do not want to give it up. This 4-hour candle could open up with some emphasis. Let's see. We got like 3 minutes left. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hope you guys are doing well. Adam Daz is in the building. All good. Everything's good. Shout out to Adam Daz. What about you? Shout out to Adam Daz in the building. Adam Daz is the man. All the way from Egypt, man. What a push. These bulls don't want to give it up. Fresh 4-hour candle. Fresh 4-hour candle coming in hot, hot. We'll see if they dump. We got a minute and a half until a fresh. Wow. Yo, these bulls are different. These bulls are different, guys. What in the world? They are pushing up this 15-minute candle with strength. Wow. They want to go for higher highs. What a push. Woo! I don't know who's buying, but they are not playing. That 5-minute candle got a wick on it. Wow. What a push. It's like they want to pop back up. Wow. Insane. We got a fresh 4-hour candle. They want to keep on going. Wow. What a push. Or was that just another fresh day high to end the hour? That was a heck of a push. Whoever that was. Now they're gonna hold it flat, probably. Now they might spin it from here. These bulls are different, guys. Jeez. Fresh 4-hour candle right here. Let's see what happens. Do they want to keep on going? Insane. fresh 4 hour candle right here. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well. There we go. Let's see if the 4 hour pulls back a little bit. What a push. These bulls do not want to give up at all. Working to see if I can play another combine. These bulls do not want to give up. They want higher and higher highs. And ES, Lunar Mars was like, we're not going to stop until ES gets to 7,000. And that's what it feels like. They don't want to pull back at all. Like at all. Shout out to everybody in that chat. Bulls just want to keep going. Fresh 4 hour candle right here. Unbelievable. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well. Let us know what you trade and how long you've been trading. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're on the short stream, come over to the horizontal stream so you can see better. The horizontal stream, you can zoom in and you can see it clearly. Yeah, these bulls do not want to stop. Insane. Shout out to Adam Daz in the building. We got Egypt in here. We got the West Coast. We got everybody in here, man. Adam Daz. Shout out to Sophie. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Why is this not? Okay, I think we're good. These bulls do not want to give up. Fresh 4 hour candle, they want to keep on going. Wow. Whoever's buying does not want to stop buying. They are not playing any games. Wow. Big push. Bulls are in a different mode right now, guys. Insane. They are in a different mode. They don't want to stop at all. Did the 4-hour want to sweep? Wonder. Big candle to the upside on the 5. Because after this, we do have space. That'll be crazy if they keep it going. Fresh 4-hour candle. We'll see how she reacts. That's the last one. Like the Bears, they can't cool anything off. The Bulls have just been red hot. Shout out to everybody in the chat. They scratched fresh day highs off the fresh hourly candle. Sweep action. Let's see if they run it. They don't want to stop, man. Looks like they want to get to 200, man. Insane. 26,000 captured. Fresh 4-hour candle. They're battling for position. They want higher day highs. Insane. We'll see. If they flip the 15 red, then we might get a little bit of cool down. Starting to do it right now. We'll see what happens. It's doing something. We'll see. Every pullback is getting bought up, like aggressively. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hope you guys are doing well, man. Pray for Jamaica, man. They're like in the middle of the storm right now. Will we get any pullback? Maybe like a candle or two. Jeez. These bulls are unstoppable right now. And draw out any gaps we got. These bulls are unstoppable. They want fresh day highs again. Unbelievable. Midpoint's like 36. Yeah, it's like right there. Watching to see how this 15 reacts right here. Fresh 1 hour candle. I'm playing things short. I just reset another free combine, so we'll see if we get some type of pullback. If you have Topstep, go check your combine. Go check your resets, because you might have some free resets. What a push by the Bulls, man. Insane. Unstoppable Bulls. If you want to hop in the Discord, the link is in the pinned comment. Bulls are relentless, yo. They're not playing any games. This 4-hour candle wants to hold green. Unbelievable. Nah, if this red 5-minute candle flips red, then next candle we could get continuation. But right now it's holding green. Bit by bit, the Bulls do not want to give anything up. Fresh 15-minute candle right here. Unbelievable push. Bulls relentless. It's like they're holding it like flat just for more bulls to like tap in. It's crazy. Maxwell said it got through 100 like a finish line, and it's doing it again. This is crazy. Insane. It just can't stop, guys. I don't know what else to tell y'all. This thing just won't stop. They do not want to stop. Like they can go to like 200 like right now if they want to. Unbelievable. They can't be stopped. It's insane. Like relentless. Like they want to push 2 right now. Looks like they wicked up. Insanity. Where can they go from here? 200, 26,200. Unbelievable. What a push, man. The high was just 61. We pushed immediately into 70s. What a push. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys, man. How's everyone doing, man? Talk to me. What's going on? What a put. They just won't stop. The Bulls are on in a different realm right now. They're not playing any games. None. Old day high is 61. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yo, they want 200. Look at this. What? Unstoppable Bulls right now. Wow. Higher day highs right here. Relentless. Relentless. I don't know, man. NQ wants 27,000. Not a game. They are relentless. There's no sign of pullback. None. 4-hour candle opened up strong. Insane. Old high is what? 60, 61? So we'll see if they squeeze to... Wow. Unstoppable, man. They're in a different mode right now. Okay, we got a fresh what? Fresh 5 minute. Let's see if this thing even pulls back any bit. I don't think it wants to. We just pushed into the 80s. This is insane. Yo, Chevelle, I take like 1 to 2 RR, sometimes 1 to 1.5. Risk to reward. Adam Dad says, are you green today? Yeah, I'm green today. I would say I blew a couple combines, but I passed some combines as well, so they're ready to be activated. Heck of a push, man. These bulls will not stop. What about you, Adam Das? Did you take anything? Yeah, Chevelle. Base your yeah, base your entries off of like key levels, swing highs, swing lows. I don't know if you use VWAP, but if you don't have it on your chart, try it on your chart. And your size, it depends on the prop. It depends what account size you have. But yeah, if you're just starting out, use micros. The minis, if you're just starting out, the minis will eat your drawdown up quick. What a push, guys. I don't know where this thing wants to go, man, but it does not want to slow down. It wants 200, which is crazy. Which is super crazy, man. Like, this thing does not want to slow down at all. At all, at all, at all. It's like unstoppable right now. Like, even when it wants to like try to flip the 5-minute candle, it'll come all the way down, flip red for like 2 seconds, and then keep going. Insanity. They do not want to stop. Insanity, bro. Lone Wolf Blue 66 says green is good. Absolutely. We haven't had any red candles, red 5-minute candles in like, well, that wasn't even red. That was green red. What a push. Unbelievable push by the bulls. Like, it's just up, 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 up. No games. See, it's doing it again. 5-minute flipped the red for like 2 seconds, flickered red, and bulls they're just trapping the bears all the way up. What a push. They want to fill this 200 gap. Unbelievable. And we got FOMC tomorrow. That's going to be interesting. That's going to be very interesting. Boy. They just can't be stopped, man. Relentless. Wow. Let's see. Unbelievable push. Topstep 50K. Yeah, Topstep 50K, use some micros, man. Use some micros and like scale in. Because it's only $2,000 a drawdown, $2,000 a drawdown, so you got to be careful with that because you can blow that extremely fast. Trust me, I've been there. I've blown 50K combines quicker than you can blink. Oh man, this might be the drop. Let's see. Three. Whoa, what is happening? I don't know what's happening right now. Whoa, this thing might be. What a push. Bulls can't be stopped right now. Fresh day highs for NQ. Unstoppable. Shout out to everybody in the chat. So I want to reach for 200. Looks like they want to get up there. That's crazy. What a push. Insanity. Could 200 be the flip? Might be. This 5 looks like it's struggling a bit. Let's see. Unbelievable. Bulls are like squeezing 5-minute candles and then pulling it back up. Insane. Bulls are different. Hey, they don't want to stop, period. Jeez. Shout out to everybody in the chat. 10 MNQ equals a mini. So you wanna break that down. 10 micros equal 1 milli. So it's like the same thing. So if you want to shrink size, you want to use like maybe like 5 or less. And like build into your position. Lone Wolf Blue 66 says corn and beans are down and wheat is up. Chevelle says I used 210 MQ. In my time in sales last night in silver, there were 3 sales of 63 contracts. 63 contracts. Insane. Big dog. The hedge funds, man. We're playing against the algos. Unbelievable. These bulls do not want to stop. This is insanity. They're like, yeah, we're going to press down, but we are not going to stop. Insane. Literally insane. This is crazy. I'm confused. What just happened? Unbelievable push. Like really unbelievable. It's like they want to fly through 200. Yeah, I guess they don't want to. 200 might act as a little bit of resistance. But the bulls have not seen any resistance today. None. It's been wild. Like no matter what, they just keep on going. Huge. The last 15-minute candle, huge. 4-hour candles are green. It's like they're trapping bears all the way up. Shout out to Mark. What's going on, Mark? Mark M in the building. It's 2:30. It's like they're skipping to the upside. It's crazy. Do the Bears want to do it here? We'll see. Insane. What a push. unbelievably strong. These bulls are. Got a full head of steam. Any pullback is getting bought up. We've been going straight up. Hold on one second. Man, will 200 be the turnaround? Oh no. You can't trust the bulls. I mean, you can't trust the bears right now. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Just constant push. We haven't had a red 15-minute candle since like, it's been an hour and some change. If you're on the short stream, come over to the horizontal stream. Hold on one second, guys. We haven't had two red candles in a row on the from a 5-minute perspective since 12:50. That was like 2 hours ago. Unstoppable bulls. Unstoppable bulls, man. Unstoppable bulls, man. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Bears are starting to pull it a little bit. We'll see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Mark. Yeah, caught a couple at the open. Passed some combines. Got like 2 fresh XFAs I can activate. And I got like another combine halfway. So I'm trying to focus on Topstep. Trying to fill up Topstep and see if we can fill it up. If we can fill up Topstep for like 3 or 4 XFAs, that'll be ideal. That's the goal. We'll see. Oh, where's my charger? Need the charger. Hope everyone's doing well, man. Welcome back to the Infinity Show, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday, man. Crazy price action, man. We've ripped hundreds of points. NQ just does not want to give up. Unstoppable. Just keeps going. Every dip that looks like it's going to be a dip gets bought up. It's been crazy. It's just so much buying pressure right now. Unbelievable. And they want to keep on going. Looks like they want 200, guys. Got a little volume insufficiency right here. They're using that like a rock. Wow. Unbelievable. Yeah, volume insufficiency right here. Stick with the bulls until price action tells you not to. Shout out to Mark. Yo, Mark, did you catch anything? Shout out to Mark Ham in the building. Shout out to Mark. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66. Shout out to Chevelle Leslie 4779. Shout out to Sophie. Shout out to Adam Daz. Egypt is in the building, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Unstoppable bulls, guys. Wow. They don't want to stop at all, guys. Jeez. They just want to keep on going and going and going. Wow. Unstoppable bulls. Do they want 200? Looks like they're shooting for 200. Like in the 80s right now. Or do they fall? Break things apart right here. We'll see. Looks like 200 is acting as a little bit of resistance. If they flip this 15-minute candle, bro, insane. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hope you guys are doing well. We're just watching this price action. These bulls have been relentless. Wow, bulls right back. Unbelievable. They want 200, guys. Insane. And we got, what do we have? We have a fresh 1 hour candle coming in hot. Yo, look at this. They want to make a run to 200. Wow. I don't know what to call this, man. They have a different type of battery in their back. They want to at least challenge 200 before this next hourly candle. We got 10 minutes of pain right here. Or actually 20 minutes, right? We'll see how far it goes. Unbelievable price action, man. Super unbelievable. It's like it can't stop. Wow. Fresh day highs for NQ. This thing is unstoppable. I don't know where these bulls want to go, but they are on a mission. They have somewhere to go. They are not playing any games. They're not playing any games. Wow. Buy the dip and just let it run. Play below the last swing high and let that thing run. This has been insane. Oh, that's the entry. Look at this. They want to run 200. Wow. Unbelievable. 200 coming in hot. Fresh 5 minute in like 2 minutes. What a push. Insane, guys. It's the 5 minute, right? Five more minutes, fresh 1 hour candle coming in hot. Almost power hour. What a push. Fresh 5 right here. Do they want to spin it? Getting volatility at the highs, man. See a little volatility going on. Bears trying to unload. These bulls have been ripping non-stop, guys, since 11:30 this morning. It is 3 o'clock Eastern time. What a push. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Just watching the price action. Insane. These bulls have been relentless the entire day. Non-stop. It's just the momentum's just so much. Each pullback, test it to the upside. And the probability is big to the upside. It's insane. Unbelievable. They want to keep on pressing. Do they sweep 200 into the next hour? It looks like they want to do it. Fresh day highs incoming. Hot. Wow. Yeah, unbelievable. This price action is different. These bulls do not want to give up anything, any ground. None. One more minute into the next candle. The next candles. 200 test incoming right now. Wow. Unbelievable. They have a different type of motor in their back right now. It's like they're front running FOMC. Like Moon or Mars and I always say, somebody knows something. We don't know what it is, but somebody knows something, because we have been green non-stop. Rate cuts are on the table. Sheesh. What a push. Like, insane push, guys. This has been crazy. New candle right here. She wicked up. Ugh. Wild price action, guys. Unbelievable price action. She wicked up and everything. Wow. Up to that 200 spot. Ooh. Oh, it's getting volatile, guys. It's getting volatile. Look out below. Ooh. Nasty candle to open. Jeez. They're not playing no games. What was that? The 5-minute came in hot. Big red to start. We'll see how. Do we believe this? Now, if we engulf the last green candle, then I'll be like, uh-oh. Here comes the bears. Now the bears have looked like they've arrived. We'll see though. Insane price action. Just all the way around. Big battle right here. Very volatile around this 200 level. This is the biggest red candle on the 5 we've seen since like maybe 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. And it started out red just like this, but the bulls bought it right back up. So we'll see. Hope everyone's doing well. If you're new to the Infinity Show, welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy Tuesday. Shout out to Adam Daz from Egypt. Shout out to Mark M. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66 on the West Coast. Shout out to Chevelle Leslie. Shout out to Sophie. The Red Candles Nation is in the building. We did not make a... Alright, we'll put on a little bit. Bears are starting to pull. Strong level right here. Wow. 180. Little volume insufficiency on the 5. Definitely held before. Or might get sliced through right here. It's a lot of bear momentum. Big candle on the 5. Let's see if they get through it. Or do the bulls magically hold? Abundance mindset. Always know more is coming. Keep going. But, yo, bulls are trying to hold this thing again. Wow. Yo, these bulls are different. We said a little volume insufficiency, right? We blasted off that level again. Right at 180. Wow. Draw your gaps as the price action moves, man. Draw your gaps as the price action moves, because this is crazy. Unbelievable. Wow. They don't want to give up. They are trapping at the highs, guys. Unbelievable. 200 retest? Crazy. Craziness. This is a different type of bull that we are dealing with today. This is crazy. Insane. Fantastical. Remarkable. Everything, man. This is crazy. Any pullback it looks like it's going to be a pullback is bought right back up. Even if it takes like a whole red candle to trap some bears, they're right back up. Unbelievable. 200 retest. Or not retest, 200 claim right here. Wow. We are above 26,200 for the first time ever. NQ is in a different bag right now. Unstoppable, man. Big red candle followed by a huge green candle. Unstoppable. What? Unstoppable, bro. Wow. All right, we passed two combines. Trying to keep these Topstep accounts alive, man. Gotta avoid tilt. Trying to get this third combine passed tomorrow. If I can do that, then we'll have 3 XFAs ready to go. Shout out to everybody in the chat. You just gotta be patient and let that thing fly. Shout out to Mark M. Mark M says, congrats on passing the combine. Yes, sir. Appreciate you, man. Pushed them like halfway yesterday and then caught some good price action at the open. Playing this trend line. I don't know if you saw it in the Discord, but the Bulls have been playing a trend line since London session, and they've been riding that thing crazy. And then we really took off at like 11:30 Eastern, and now we went to a different angle to the upside, but it all came off of that trend line. Unbelievable. I don't know, guys. We are above 200. Where does she want to go for power hour? Who knows? And where is ES at? Shout out to all the new subscribers. ES is at 36. Man, ES could see 7,000 if we keep pushing like this by the end of the week. And then you got FOMC. Then you got Microsoft earnings. Then you got Meta earnings. Then you got Apple, Amazon, everything this week. We are headed to, it's insane. At this point, bro, the way these bulls are pushing, rate cuts on the table tomorrow afternoon. Powell could decide to cut more basis points. This is crazy. We are not stopping right now. I haven't even looked at my other tickers. What's Nvidia doing? What's Nvidia? All those guys. Where is it? Oh, Nvidia's just chilling. Who else is going like, oh no, Nvidia's not chilling. 200 for the first time. Insane. That's probably who's doing it. Nvidia is the reason we're doing this right now. Nvidia above 200 for the first time ever. I remember when we were talking about it in the 90s, in the 70s, in the 80s. Now look at us. 200 plus. Unbelievable. Can't make this up. Unstoppable bulls, man. Like, they cannot be stopped right now. Last 5-minute candle, very abrupt to the upside. We crashed through 200. Crashed through it. Bulls look like they want to keep on going. Whoa. Unbelievable. First 15-minute candle of power hour, strong. Super strong. It looked like 10 minutes ago that we were gonna pull things back. Nope. From the 90s through 200 plus continuation. Unbelievable. Lone Wolf Blue 66 says 30K coming soon. Yes, sir. That's insane. 30K for NQ. These markets are incredible. If we hold 200, we got even more space up. I need to look at the fibs, man. We needed fib extensions at this point because we are flying. We are flying. What are the next levels up? I'm sure there's big gaps, man. Ooh. Bears tried to slap down 10 minutes ago. Didn't work. It looked convincing. They definitely trapped some bears right there. Bulls came right back. They came right back. Let's see. Unstoppable bulls. Where does this thing want to go? If we pop the top of the last 5, which is the high, 210-ish. Yeah, 210. 210, 209. There she goes. She wants to do it. Fresh day highs coming in again. Bears don't want that to happen, but bulls are so strong right now. Wow. Sheesh. These are the type of plays you let this thing run on Topstep. You can see those 10K, 20K, 30K days. I saw one guy on YouTube, 40K day. Insane. I think he's running a 150K account. That's insane. That means he's like deep in the cushion. Fresh day highs right here. Trying to come in hot. These bulls are different. This is a different type of bull. This is a different breed. This is the FOMC breed. Whew. Silver's lost 30K since it made new highs per contract. That's crazy. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66. Let's see where this thing can go. Unbelievable. When NQ is moving, man, you just gotta get out of the way. Don't try to guess the top like Dev Trade said. Just get out of the way. Play the pullbacks in the direction where the freight train is going. Just keep going, man. Insane. Unbelievable. We are above 210. Let's see if the 200s hold. We got a fresh 15-minute candle coming in hot. I don't know how she's going to open up, but insane. Just unbelievable. Any slight pullback, no. It's like, we're going to keep going. It's going to be a hard 60 points. I'm going to fake you out to the downside and rip 60. Fake you out to the downside, 10 to 15 points, rip 60. Rip 80. What? Last 15-minute pullback? The bottom of it was 120. We're at 200. Haven't looked back. No red 15-minute candles. The trend is your friend. Stick to the trend until it's not a trend anymore. Insane. See, it's doing the same thing. The little trick. Anything to the downside is getting eaten up, man. And you got another gap right here, 5-minute gap. Middle of it's right at 200. Do they keep going? Unbelievable. Unbelievableness. They just will not stop. It's like they're buying up everything. And it's been FEG work all the way up. When you draw your gaps all the way up, it's like they have not stopped. Gaps are holding well too. Yeah. 200 holds. There's no telling where she'll go. Look at how this 5-minute candle's getting bought up. Again. You got a little gap right here. It's just been You want to talk about relentless? This is different. Oh gosh, hold on. Trade ovate, clunky trade ovate, man. I might have to. What is happening? Oh, I gotta figure out a different way to trade Apex. I don't know. I've glitched a couple times on trade ovate. I don't know what's going on, but what a push. Look at these 15, oh, these are 1 hour candles, 3 hours straight. Unstoppable. Wow. 1 hour swing low on ES. 903, 900. We have not looked back. Like the bears are trying so hard to press down, but bulls are eating it right back up. Like, gotcha, bears. Gotcha again. You thought this was the turnaround. And boom, they're right back at it. Here we go. Nice. My freshwater shrimp are doing well right now. Nice. I didn't know you had shrimp, man. You're raising shrimp. I added almond leaves to the tank. Nice. I think you told me you had a tank, but I don't know if you told me what was in there. I didn't know you had shrimp in there. Freshwater shrimp. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66 in the building. Wow, look at the pop. Again, 200 trying to hold like a champ. If they flip this 5-minute candle green, I would not be surprised. At this point, because this is ridiculous. They are not stopping. FEG around 200 is holding the line. Sheesh. What a push. Unbelievable. If they flip this to fresh day highs, unbelievable. Oh, they couldn't flip this candle. This is different. Okay. So we haven't had 2 red 5-minute candles in a long time. Since maybe, bro, 2 red candles in it. That was this, like, lunchtime. But look at how they're responding. Bulls are not playing any games. This is crazy. Yeah, we haven't had 2 red candles in a minute. On the from a 5-minute perspective. Bulls relentless. And when's the last time we had 3 red candles in a row? We haven't had 3 red candles in a row since 30 minutes after the open. That's the type of rip we've been on, man. This has been insane. It's been green, 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 green. A little bit of red, green, 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 green. Mr. Koski says, yep. Snowball. Whoa. Oh, you got different ones in there? Should you see how... Wow. 40-gallon tank. Wow. Insane. Shout out to Mr. Koski. Mr. Koski Zoo. Aquarium. Mr. Koski's aquarium. What a push, man. Insanity. Insanity. We got, what do we have? MOC in like 30 minutes. Will the Bears do anything today? I don't think so. If they do anything, Bulls might let them do something into the close, barely. But these Bulls have been relentless. Unstoppable, literally. We haven't had any red 15-minute candles since it's been like 2 hours. Just constant boom. Constant boom. Dang, 40 gallon, 60 gallon. Oh yeah, you got an aquarium over there, Mr. Koski. 40 gallon, 60 gallon, 75 gallon. Wow. Shout out to Mr. Koski in the building. Yeah, I don't trust the Bears, man. They haven't been able to make anything happen since this morning. But what a push. Fresh all-time highs again. On the eve of possible rate cuts. Big earnings. This is the Christmas rally. After a one-day pullback off of tariff news. A one-day pullback. Insanity. This is wild. What a push. Look at this again. Again. Unstoppable. Unstoppable Bulls. They cannot be stopped right now. Get out of their way. Insane. They cannot be stopped right now. What do they want by the end of the day? You want 300? Go ahead. Where are y'all going? Oh, are in a rush. Unbelievable, dog. What a push. At this point, this thing can go to 30K, man. With FOMC, no telling. Especially with rate cuts, possible rate cuts. Mr. Powell will be on the mic tomorrow afternoon. What a push. Look at these Bulls, man. They have a battery of all batteries in their back. Unstoppable. Look at the green candles. Just look at the 15-minute chart for the last 3 hours, 3.5 hours. No stopping. There's no telling. If they fill the 300 gap before the end of the day, wow. We are at 20. We got 80 points left until 300. $30 coming in hot. Unbelievable. If you were a bear today, this is not the day to be a bear. What? What kind of push is this? This is insanity, guys. I don't know where they're going, but they're not looking back. They broke off the rear view mirror. It's gone. It's out of here. They're flying. Oh my gosh. They want 30 right now. Oh. 300 gap? Does it want to fill? Yo, insane candles right now. Insane price action. We are flying. 230 coming in hot. Oh, wow. Guys. Well, ooh. She's not playing any games. I don't know where she's going, man. She's just gone. Just let it go. It's like, what is happening right now? Just let it go at this point. And we got MOC in like 20 minutes. MOC could stretch us. Nice, you got rainbow fish in there? Cool. You gotta post the tanks. Did you already post the tanks? 40 gallon shrimp for you. 60 gallon nano fish tank. Nice. 75 gallon. Got the rainbow fish. Nice. What is on the bull's mind right now? They don't want to stop. This is crazy. This thing is just gone. I don't know what. Man. This thing is in the middle of nowhere. It's just going. Looks like it wants to fill the 300 gap, which is crazy. What a push. Whoever was at 200 just got ran. They ran for the hills. Squeezed out. Nice. Shout out to Mr. Koski. Yeah, these are just candles straight up. We have had 1 to maybe 2 hours straight of just green. 3 hours straight. No, 4 hours straight if you look at the hourly candles. Unbelievable. We got MOC in 20 minutes. There's no telling what MOC wants to do. Visa earnings at the bell. N-phase earnings at the bell. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where does this thing want to go, man? At this point, I don't trust any red candles. Don't trust any red candles, man. You just gotta let the thing go. get in on the red candles. Possibly. Not financial advice. Yo, I wouldn't be surprised if they test 300. The way they're moving right now. How big was this candle? Almost 30 points. 24. Yeah, it's like 24 points on a 5-minute candle. Let's see. Oh boy. What a push. I wouldn't be surprised. If we challenge 3, wouldn't be surprised. What a push. Hold on one second, guys. Unstoppable bulls. Wow. Where are these bulls headed, man? Unstoppable. At this point, we got 15 minutes until MOC. MOC could go crazy. Where it goes, I don't know. Are they trapping bears again? That would be crazy if they are. If they flip this candle green, I'll be like, well, that's what they've been doing all day. All day long. This is a bigger candle, though. Definitely a bigger candle. But the last time this happened, they bought it right back up. But we'll see. Maybe the bulls let off the steam into the close. Nice. Mr. Koski, you got Mr. Koski's aquarium. Whoa. Real driftwood. Wow. Maintenance is almost none. Wow. I don't have to feed much either. Most of the live critters they feed on are thriving, and if I feed the tanks too much, water parameters go bad. And water changes maybe every 12 to 18 months. Wow. Yeah, that's low maintenance for sure. Shout out to Mr. Koski's aquarium. All right. Now this is like the biggest 15-minute candle we've seen in a while. Let's see if this is real. Do they flush us for the last couple of minutes? We'll see. Yeah, bulls might take some profits into the close. What a push though, man. This has been crazy. What a push. It's been like the bulls have been non-stop. Non-stop. Man. Here comes some bears. Man. We haven't seen these bears all. Man, what? And we got MOC coming. I don't know how MOC is going to come. They might go crazy. That's in 10 minutes. What a drop. Okay, this might be some profit taking. Hold on one second. Yep. What a push. Here comes some bears. Do they end it in with some fireworks? We'll see. What a push. Unbelievable. MOC could get nasty. These last two 5-minute candles have been pretty big. And this 15-minute candle is looking to engulf two 15-minute green candles. But a push. Wow. Bull's pushing it back up. This is squeeze and go to the downside. MOC could get crazy. I don't know which way she can go, but MOC could get crazy from a profit taking perspective, because we're back in the 100s. Let me see. Mr. Koski says, I need to stream silver tonight. Do it. What a push. All right, what are the bulls trying to do right here? MOC is in 6 minutes. This could get crazy to the downside. Or do they go to the upside? About to see. Oh, let's see. Let's go. Let's see if they ramp it to the downside, or do they push it back up? 5 minutes. This is going to be an interesting 15 minutes. It's going to be very interesting. Wow. Wow. All right, here comes some bears. This is profit taking action. Let's see how far they push it. Do they push us to 100? That would be insane. Little profit taking going on. What a push. Yo, MOC might get interesting. I don't know if we go to the upside or to the downside, but could get volatile. Might be some profit taking though. I predict maybe some profit taking. Let's see. We're playing off that same 5-minute insufficiency right at 180. We'll see if we slash through. Below that, we got another midpoint in the 160s. We'll see how far the bears push it. Oh! Almost sat on my step, stepped on my step. Alright, guys. Let's see how far they go. Oh boy. Does MOC ruin the party? They're not going to ruin it, but you might get some pullback into the lower 100s. We'll see. MOC in 20 seconds. Where does this thing go? They might take this thing straight back up. For all I know. Here we go. MOC 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. I see continuation down. Ooh. Ooh, MOC. Wow, MOC. Lower 100s. Coming in very hot. Ooh, MOC. MOC is in action right now. So they flip it up. That was a drop zone right there. Let's see if we get squeeze and go. I'm looking for sub 150. We're watching it. Big drop. Watching to see if this they hold this 5-minute red. Wow. What a drop. MOC, this is my type of volatility, man. 50 points, 40 points, boom, boom. Quick. Do we get continuation? Let's see. I was looking for something like in the low 100s. Let's see. Do the bulls come right back? That would be crazy if they do. We dove right into the 15-minute FEG. Midpoint like 169-ish. That's the one I was talking about in the 160s. They bought it right back up. Got down to 162. Let's see if they're really buying it up. Are they really buying it up, or is this squeeze and go to the downside? Looks like squeeze and go. Below that, we got the 150s. Wild price action. Super wild. What a push. Ooh, bulls coming right back. Wow. Big wick on the 15-minute. Is this a real spin? What a push, man. Bulls want to go out with a bang. Big wick though. On the 5, that's a reversal wick right there, man. Let's see how far they go. This is what you call the squeeze and go. Whenever you got a trend going, then the other side tries to push that down, the candle you're in right now, then the side with the momentum pushes right back. I think I turned the sprinkler off, right? I think I did. Want to make sure. What a push. We got a fresh 5-minute candle coming in hot. I don't know how she's going to open up after the candle we just had. Dropped like 30. The next one could pop like 30. Let's see what happens. Might hold it flat. We'll see. 20 seconds left. Let's see what happens with the final candle. Ooh. 10 seconds left. Fresh 5-minute candle. She could do the opposite of what just happened, but what the last 5-minute candle did, ooh, no. Wow. Continuation. Jeez. Louise. Continuation. Insane. Wow. Drop zone, man. Bears almost went for the jugular right then. MOC action, man. Volatility. Might want to flip it. Whoa. Text message. What was that? Let's see what the Bulls do to close. Do they answer back? They might want to answer back. Look at this. I see some perkiness. Can they hold it? That's the question. Can they hold it? Bears don't want to. No. Bears are like, no more green candles. It's been green candles all day. We're tired. Those look like they want to pop back up. Wow. These bulls are different. Oh, they're trying to flush now. Bears are pressing to close. This 15-minute FEG is holding like a champ. It's overlapping a 5-minute too. We got a minute and a half left. Wild day, man. These Bears went, Bulls went crazy. There's been like no pullback, bro. Bulls have just been running the gauntlet. Unbelievable. Are the Bulls gonna end it with a bang? We'll see. Wow. Insane. What a push. Insane. That's the bell. We got Visa earnings. Visa earnings. We got to the low 100s. That's crazy. Craziness. All the way down, man. 200 was the turnaround. Visa earnings, in-phase earnings. Wow. Earnings coming in hot. Something's happening. Wild day, man. The Bulls are climbing back up after hours. Unbelievable. Shout out to everybody in the chat. We all enjoyed this crazy price action. Shout out to Mr. Koski. Bulls want to keep on going, man. Insane. All right, guys. I might be back on tonight. Let me see what we got going on. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I go live. Shout out to Mr. Koski, aka Lone Wolf Blue 66. Shout out to Apex Clippers. Shout out to, who else is in here? Mark M. Shout out to Mr. Koski again. Shout out to Chevelle. Shout out to Sophie. Shout out to Adam Daz. Egypt in the building. Algeria in the building. Maxwell. Shout out to Maxwell 7153. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man, that chimed in. Shout out to Lunar Mars. Shout out to Sophie again. Shout out to Maxwell again. Shout out to, who else was in here? Devin. Dev Trades. Shout out to Dev Trades, man. I will see you guys soon, man. I'm about to run some errands. So yeah, crazy price action today. Let's see what happens tomorrow. FOMC tomorrow. Meta earnings tomorrow. Microsoft earnings tomorrow. Google earnings tomorrow. Big tech this week, man. Big tech. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Discipline equals freedom, ladies and gentlemen. Keep on going, ladies and gentlemen. Keep going. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Trust the process. Do not rush the process. Base hits win the game. Keep on going, guys. Discipline equals freedom. Keep on going. Don't beat yourself up all over the losses. They're part of the game. Keep on going, guys. I will catch you guys soon. I might get on tonight. We'll see. You guys be safe. Be good to yourselves and be good to others, ladies and gentlemen. Be good to yourselves and be good to others. I will catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.